Hi, my name is Raj. I just attended the FTII workshop on screen acting conducted from 3rd to 7th November at Delhi. The course director Ankush Sir made us do many activities which were very beneficial. Ankush Sir is very knowledgeable about acting and also about other important facets of human life. So it was a joy to learn with him. I would recommend this workshop to anybody who is interested in screen acting. I would also like to request the FTII to conduct more workshops in Delhi and if possible of longer durations. Thank you.
Namaskar. मेरा नाम नेहा है and I had the wonderful opportunity of being a part of श्री अंकुश वर्मा जी's class. उनका एक 5-day workshop हुआ था यहाँ दिल्ली में त्रिवेणी कला संगम में और that was from the 3rd of November to the 7th of November 2025 और I want to congratulate सबसे पहले FTII कि उन्होंने इस तरह के workshops जो हैं वो organize करवा रहे हैं वो all India because there are so many students like me who were looking forward to such kind of authentic workshops और आप लोगों ने ये possible करवाया. And of course, I had a wonderful time in these 5 days with Ankush ji being a wonderful mentor. I have come back to acting after some time. मुझे 3-4 साल का मैंने बीच में एक मेरा gap आ गया था where I didn't really do anything very actively in acting, and so for me to come back into that rigor, I thought this was the best opportunity. And of course, what better workshops than FTII? But I have to say that he was such a wonderful mentor. उनकी एक exercise. It really helped me, come back into that rigor of acting. बहुत खूबसूरत, बहुत friendly, बहुत approachable, and the entire atmosphere उन्होंने जो positive vibe पूरी class में create की थी, it was highly commendable. Of course, 5 दिन में कोई acting तो सीख नहीं सकता, so that's not something which that's acting. It's a whole journey. So it takes as much time, but the kind of introduction that he gave in terms of the kind of exercises that we could do, and of course opening up आपके mind को खोलने की जो exercises थी, body को खोलने की exercises, just to get deeper into the psychology of acting. Brilliant. Every day was such a wonderful experience for me. So many congratulations Ankush ji, many congratulations to FTII for bringing these workshops, and we really look forward to much longer workshops than just a week. We hope that FTII can follow it up with much longer workshops so that we keep practicing the art form, we keep getting back into the groove, and we keep getting back to some more challenging exercises than what were introduced in the introductory level. So look forward to many more of such workshops in Delhi, and really hope that FTII comes back with more workshops, not just acting but other disciplines as well. So look forward, and thank you so much, and many congratulations once again to Ankush ji and to FTII for such a wonderful opportunity for students like us. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ashwini. Recently, I have attended screen acting course from FTII Pune, conducted by Ankush Verma sir at Triveni Kala Sangam, Delhi. As an actor, मुझे इस कोर्स में एक्टिंग के बारे में कुछ नई बारीकियों के बारे में पता लगा जो मेरे एक्टिंग करियर के लिए मुझे बहुत बेनिफिशियल लगी. All in all, very good experience, and I recommend these kind of courses coming out from FTII in the future as well. All I want to say, thank you FTII Pune, Ankush sir, and best of luck.
A big hi to everyone who's watching this. First of all, I would like to thank FTII for this great initiative, for having this acting workshop for the period 3rd to 7th November 2025 in Delhi. So सबसे पहले तो मैं ये बताना चाहूँगी that I got to know it from my friend. he has been attending other workshops like in Pune, Dharamshala. So he told me that Delhi mein 5 days ka there's this workshop is coming up. Honestly, I thought क्या ही सीख जाएंगे 5 दिन में. But guys, मैं कैसे बताऊँ आपको, these 5 days of this workshop have been one of the most amazing times of my life. So many people to meet, so much to learn, every day so different, so different from the monotonous life that we are having. Wonderful, wonderful opportunity, especially for working professionals like us, जिनके पास ज़्यादा लीव्स नहीं है, जो एक प्रॉपर कोर्स नहीं शायद अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं टाइमिंग वाइज, उनके लिए ये बहुत ही अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी थी. एवरी डे वॉज डिफरेंट. वी गॉट टू लर्न सो मच. फिजिकल बैरियर्स, फिजिकल एक्सरसाइजेज, मेडिटेशन एंड योर interactive abilities, interacting with so many people under one roof. Which was a different, I have no words. Thank you so much Ankush sir for this learning opportunity. आपने इतना कुछ सिखाया इन 5 दिन में, एंड बहुत चीज़ें पता चली अपने बारे में, खुद के हम अपनी क्वालिटीज, अपनी लिमिटेशंस, और कैसे हम इस करियर मतलब इस फील्ड में कैसे हम अपना करियर या तो बिल्ड कर सकते हैं या उस नेटवर्किंग को अप्रोच कर सकते हैं, जो चीज़ें शायद हमें घर बैठे या फिर एक मोनोटोनस जो जॉब होती है 9 to 5 उसमें शायद नहीं समझ आती है. तो ये 5-day workshop was a perfect opportunity to explore those arenas. And thank you FTII, Ankush sir, my fellow mates once again, because I will always remember this. And secondly, I would like to request FTII for having more such opportunities in Delhi, even for longer durations, like having a proper course in Delhi. I would like to request FTII to take an initiative regarding that. Thank you so much.
My name is Vicky. I recently attended FTII screen acting workshop with Ankush sir at Triveni. That workshop was great. It was a great experience, and this workshop gave me clarity about on subtle expressions, emotional honesty, and staying connected moment to moment. So that helped me a lot. And Ankush sir's clear and direct feedback helped me a lot. It showed me exactly where I stand and where I need to work on as an actor. And yeah, so I'm applying all my learnings in my performances, and I'm getting results. So I left this workshop with deeper understanding and deeper awareness and much more confidence in my craft. So I really I really would like to say thank you so much FTI and Ankush sir for this valuable learning and for this valuable workshop. So thank you.
My name is Shivangi Mishra. I am from Ghaziabad and I have recently attended a workshop by FTII in screen acting. This was in Triveni Kala Sangam in Delhi, and this was done under the guidance of Ankush sir. Every class was very interactive and fun. We got to learn a lot of new things. We developed a basic idea of what screen acting is and how it is different from stage acting, what are the different techniques, the little nuances in screen acting. And I would also be looking forward to join more of such workshops by FTII which held in Delhi, because it is very easy for me to commute to Delhi for such workshops. So I love to be a part of these kind of workshops in future as well. Thank you so much.
Hi, my experience at the FTII workshop was amazing. I think Ankush sir really had put in all the efforts to give us the best knowledge he had, एंड काफ़ी मज़ा आया. पूरा इन्वायरमेंट बहुत अच्छा था क्लास का. ऑल द पीपल आर टैलेंटेड एंड सब ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया एक दूसरे को. एंड इट वॉज अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव फ्रॉम FTII कि उन्होंने इतनी अच्छी वर्कशॉप कंडक्ट की. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला एंड रियली बहुत कुछ हम यहाँ से लेकर जा रहे हैं. एंड we'll really practice and move forward with all the knowledge we've got. And yeah, looking forward for more such opportunities. And thank you so much. It was amazing.